Hello, thank you for joining us in our lesson on the complex world of real estate finance instruments. The mortgage lending business is a gargantuan industry with billions of dollars exchanged every day. The forms and processes used in the industry play a huge role in the business because these instruments represent the legal ownership and legal rights to the use and enjoyment of the land and money. We'll kick off the lesson with an overview of two key concerns for any real estate transactions: the encumbrances or liens that can affect real estate and real estate transactions. First, we'll explore one of the most common types of encumbrance, the easements that may accompany a property. We'll look at these and the many forms that they can come in, including easements appurtenant, in gross, affirmative and negative, and how the easements are created. We'll follow that with a more in-depth study of liens and the wide variety that can be encountered in a real estate transaction. After that, we'll discuss the note and the deed of trust, two of the instruments at the core of the real estate deal, and continue into their close relatives, the note and mortgage. Our next section will focus on the contract for deed, also known as a land contract, and we'll examine their advantages and disadvantages. Subordinate finance instruments, such as second mortgages, will be next on our agenda as we look at other forms of debt and the priority of debts. And that discussion will lead us into our review of special provisions in mortgages as we begin a more detailed study of some of the documents themselves and the need to pay close attention to the wording of those documents. This last section includes reviewing copies of both the promissory note form and the trust form. That's a whole lot to cover, and we'll get to it at your pace.